Hey, my name is Jeff. What is your name?
My name is Anna. Nice to meet you.
Where are you heading to?
Actually, I'm going to Shanghai for my skincare products.
Oh, really? This is great.
Yes, this is the sample of my face cream.
Wow, you are a real entrepreneur. Can I get your number?
Oh, sure. Here you go.
Great, thanks.
That was 100% made with Grok AI. I know it looks expensive, but it is actually free to use if you know where to get it. And I'm going to walk you through the whole process on how to get it, how to create this video, and how to make one for yourself. Let's get started. Now, what you're going to do is, if you want to start, the first thing you need to do as somebody who is creating storytelling, probably African storytelling, or maybe some you're telling stories like in the US, or like the type of story that you saw in the beginning of this particular video. You need to have a story first. Then after getting the stories and the conversations, then you have to create the characters. That's every single character that is going to be in that story. You're supposed to create their images. Then you look at your conversations and the scene building, your workflow or your storyboard. You create scenes for each particular story or each particular scene that you're going to be making. Then after getting the scenes, you animate. After animating the videos, then you edit. Now, if you want to learn how to create those type of videos or the one that you saw at the beginning of this particular video, I'm going to drop a link on the comment on the description box, and just click on it. Purchase the course. It's very cheap. For 10K you can get that particular course, and you learn every single thing you need to learn about AI movie or film making. Now let's continue. Now what you're going to do is you're going to head over to this particular AI tool. It is free at the moment, so you head over to this and make sure you are on Grok and log in with your email address. And what you're going to do is to animate. Now let us animate. We click on select files, and then we navigate to our images. So I'm going to select Keisha. Nothing fancy. Now we've added the image. We have to scroll down and come to write the prompt. And now we're going to write the prompt. Now I have to correct some of the things that are omitted. Now once you're done writing your script, then you click on run. But first you come here, aspect ratio, and click on 16:9. If you check out this particular image, it is 16:9. If you are generating for 9:16 for people that are doing Facebook automation and TikTok automation, you must make sure you select 9:16. But I'm doing for 16:9, so I have to select it. Now I click on run and scroll up here to watch it. Now it is generating. One thing about this particular AI tool is it is very, very fast and it is free. And trust me, if you are using it, you don't have any problem at all. Now it has generated. You can see generated in 31.7 seconds. Very, very fast. Now let us play. Let's play it and
Come on, pick up! Hello? Are you there?
all right. One thing with Grok and all these AI tools is sometimes they tend to do whatever they want. You understand? So let us see if we can arrange the prompt more so that it does exactly what we want. Now I'll come back to the prompt here. She dials a number on the phone and puts the phone on her ear to make a phone call. Then I put brackets and write she did not say anything at all. The ringing vibration sound effect is heard from the background. The camera zooms a little to her worried face. Let us generate again. I'll click on run and come up here to see. So for people that are creating this, you notice that you do a whole lot of prompting to get exactly what you want. If you want to learn how to create this type of videos very well, perfectly, then you need to make sure you DM me, write the email from the comment section, from the description, write the email from the description, or just purchase the course from the description link. Then we can see what we did. Let's click on play. That's nice cinematic pleasure. Now, if I'm telling this story, I think she's calling someone. Let me download this. She's calling someone. So let me just use this opportunity to give you a tip. Now, what I'm going to do is I've downloaded it. Let me call it number one. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this image. Now, select the image so that I can get the context of the person she's calling. Now, let me get the image of the person she's calling. Let me get it. Now, this is the image of the person she's calling. You notice that he doesn't have any phone with him. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to prompt it. His phone rang from the bag he is carrying. Now you can look at it. His phone rang. His phone rang from the bag he is carrying. He opened the bag and brought out the phone, put it in his ear, and said in Nigerian English, "Hello, Funke." Full stop. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write no distortion. Then I'm going to run it, and then let's watch what will happen. Now this is it. Now what we are going to do, let's play.
Hello, Funke.
Okay.
Hello, Funke.
All right. This is actually nice, but for the sake of time, we are going to stop here. Normally, what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down to this place and make sure that I outline the prompt to only use this particular left hand to take the phone from the bag and put in his left ear, so that the Grok understand that what we are saying is only what we want to animate is only this particular arm. But it is fine. This is for people that are on the mentorship program if you want to be part of it. I believe you saw all the process. So that's exactly how you can use Grok to create high quality videos for free. You find the link to the website in the description below. Now, if you want to take this further and learn more and get to know the strategies that I use to monetize my channels, monetize all my contents across all social media, you can join the mentorship community by clicking the Telegram link in the description. If this video helped you, subscribe to this channel and I'm going to see you in the next one.